Hey guys, another example of smart snippets you might envision using is something related to an event. And so a few weeks ago, we had a New York City tech event with one of our close friend companies called Default. We hosted the event together on all things go to market, and it was a really awesome event. We got a great lead list, and we wanted to follow up with a bunch of our high value attendees, as well as just the entire list in general, just following up, asking if they wanted to learn more, and sharing some specific takeaways, and thanking them for coming, things like that. And so associated with this, we actually created a smart snippet associated with Tech Week. We call it New York City Tech Week Smart Snippet. We enable the smart snippet parameters, and to prompt the LLM, we feed it this initial data. Write a sentence based on the sender's name. And so this is important to note that it's actually the sender's name. You can send stuff according to the recipient, of course, and we could envision saying like, hey, also add some information based on the job title of the recipient and customize it in that way of why they might appreciate it. But here we're saying based on the sender, if the email is sent from Austin, please use this sentence as he's one of the co-founders here. I shared how I scaled our growth efforts. If it's sent from Connor, who was previously at Scale, our co-founder Austin shared how he successfully scaled. And then finally, if it's sent from anyone else, including me or any of our other team members, at the event, our CEO and co-founder shared how he successfully scaled. So this is a super simple one. It's almost like rules based, but it really takes out the complexity of having to line up like separate sequences or separate CSV uploads based on who you send it from. And you can just have the comfort of knowing that whoever the email is sent from, and on Unify, we enable round robin emailing so that you never have to worry about who an email is being sent from or who it's being sent to. The AI that we enable on platform with the latest models is going to factor in this information. We flip back over to our actual sequence builder. You can see that we can actually drop in this smart snippet here and begin to see how it works with the various senders that we have. So, as you can see, we're emailing this gentleman, Drew. We are sending right now in this window, you can change who the sender is from. And so right now we're sending from Garrett. So it says that Austin, our CEO, if we send it from Austin, you will see I shared how I scaled our growth efforts because it's from Austin. If we go to Connor, you'll see, hey, at the event, my co-founder, Austin. And if we do anyone else, let's use like Skylar, you'll see a very similar thing at the event Austin. So this is a great way to really simplify your outbound and not have to worry about, who the email is being sent from, and just know that when you're using Unify and you're dropping people into event specific sequences, the sender variables and the recipient variables are being taken care of in a way that, the level of customization desired is going to be factored in.